Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup with a set of 18x9 Helo 878s in a matte black finish and some 275/70 R18 Mickey Thompson Deegan 38 all-terrain tires. Now these 18x9 Helos, they are offered in a 16, 17, 18, and a 20x9. They're offered in a matte black and a chrome finish. So no matter what size you want, they sell them. They look great. They're coming out of a great price point. They are the best. Helo is the best brand with the best price point from Wheel Pros. You cannot beat it for the price. Besides that, they balance well. Your 275/70 R18 Mickey Thompson Deegan 38s, they're essentially a 33 by 11 inch tire. They fit great on the Jeeps if you want to put just like a 3/4 of an inch level in the front. This Jeep has a 2.5 inch lift, however. They fit great, they ride phenomenally. One of the best riding tires. You retain all of your factory ride quality. Do not worry about sacrificing and having it rough, bumpy, anything like that. They ride great. They balance well, and just rotate them and you'll be just fine. I cannot say enough good things about this tire. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy these parts, whether it's the tires and the wheels or the lift or bumpers or fenders or lights or tail lights or headlights or grills, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get you some parts and get them shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.